Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today basically, well, firstly I just had to put on kind of work clothes and actually put makeup on because I just did an introductory video for one of the online courses that I'm teaching. So I thought while I was not just dressed in Fitspo outfits or in weird outfits that are just comfortable, I would make the introduction to this video. Basically, I know that most of us all around the world are currently confined to their house or confined basically to their house apart from being able to go out and get sort of essentials. And this is a really important thing that we are doing to try to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Here in Australia, currently it is Thursday the 26th of March. Currently we are at what is called level 2 lockdown, which means that we basically have been told that we should only be leaving the house for sort of essential items, although we're not kind of officially locked down yet. But gyms and restaurants and pubs and all of those things are shut. So we don't, obviously none of us know how long we're going to be confined to the indoors for, but I just wanted to make a little video which is kind of, and I'm probably going to try to do one about once a week, just sort of my life in lockdown. I know that we're all in lockdown. I'm not pretending like this is a unique thing for me, but I just want to share sort of what I am getting up to. And I think in particular because whilst all of this lockdown is happening, I'm also going through a change in my career. So I'm leaving my current job next week and going back into basically full-time teaching. So I want to sort of share that journey as well. So the home office is obviously still a massive mess, in part because we can't really go and get obviously bookshelves or anything like that, and in part because I'm just a bit lazy. But what I am trying to do is all of these boxes are basically books, and we will eventually get a bookshelf probably over here. But I'm not really liking the feeling of having just all of these boxes in here. So I'm just kind of slowly going to start piling books kind of in the corners and that type of thing, just because I don't want to have boxes and I want to try to make this, this is potentially where I'm going to be working from for a really good amount of time before we're able to get the bookshelves and things like that. So I want to make it comfortable. We're also tossing up actually whether we order, while we still can order and get something delivered, another desk. So currently we have the one desk which is set up, but Steve is starting to work from home as well now. And although he won't have a whole lot of kind of hours at the desk, he will need some. So we are considering getting a second desk, but we will wait and see. So I'm just set up in my work office. I have 3 screens going, necessary. But the first thing I'm going to do, I've already been doing a little bit of work, but the first thing I'm going to do actually is poor Mr. Peasley is really not happy in this spot. So I'm going to try to find somewhere that he may enjoy. The poor thing, Steve was so proud that we got a flower back, and I don't think it's going to last long. So also introducing the newest plant baby. This one was on special. I hope that he's going to be happy there. I'd really like it if he kind of grows up that window, but we will see. So I thought I would give you a sort of real, not cleaned, I haven't gone and removed stuff from my desk just for this little part of the video, I guess, tour of my home office and my desk. It is definitely still a working process. It we've only been in the house for less than 2 weeks, but this is kind of the first part that I set up. So I have my personal computer, which is the Surface Pro computer, which is what I do most of my own personal, well, I guess it's not really personal, but I do my academic PhD related work on this one. This is then my work laptop, so for my current market research project manager role. So that is that one, and then it's just a monitor that I sort of switch between having this one and that one plugged in. Basically I have little post-it notes of just things that I need to do there. I have a little llama that my mum got me a few years ago, glass of water, headphones. These are normally my work headphones and only for in the office, which I don't have to use as much now that I'm currently here by myself, but still good, particularly if Steve's downstairs watching TV or something like that. Have my other headphones here as well that have a microphone on them for Zoom meetings, etc. Random book, which is currently my mouse pad because the mouse doesn't work on the desk. Glasses, my PhD, my Drofwhat PhD mug, a packet from rice crackers that I ate yesterday, my lamp, which is from IKEA, and just a little Devil's Ivy propagation there, which is doing really well actually. So I'm gonna let him grow a little bit more and then probably plant him in a pot and maybe go in the bathroom with a lot of the other ones. I then have a day 2-page diary and also just a notebook. So that is basically what is on my desk. And then in terms of, I guess, the little shelving next to the desk, so I've got a bottle of an empty bottle of champagne that I got when I submitted my PhD. Just a few of my books, a lot of them are sort of psychology textbooks related on here currently. And then just a really nice little quote. This actually comes from, it was the box that a previous diary of mine came from, and the box is really cute, so I've kept that. Basically all I'm doing at the moment, have my current work emails up, my other job emails up, and I am just going through the lecture that I am doing via Zoom tonight. So I've already been doing lectures for, I have students who are in China, so I've already been doing online lectures for those the entire semester, and now I am just moving all of my students online. So I do 2 online lectures for this particular course. So just going over, making sure I know all of my stuff for tonight. We're looking at sensation and perception. So basically I don't have a lot to do right at this second. I have been doing a lot of just emails and I'm basically just waiting to get things back from colleagues and from outsourced people before I can do more. And I am just feeling really unmotivated. It's quite hard, as I know it is for everyone at the moment, to kind of want to do more than what I need to do right now. So I think I'm actually going to go for a walk, just a little walk. It's a really nice day outside. It's sunny, it's low 20s, really nice.
Dinosaur. Unless of course you're smoking cigars with other dinosaurs. Like these guys.
So thank you everyone for coming along with this sort of week, the first or second week technically of being locked down, but kind of the first official week. And yeah, I'm excited to just keep sharing basically what I'm getting up to. Hopefully there will be some research happening as well and getting on top of some of my new research ideas while I can. But yeah, I hope that everybody is staying safe and you're all looking after each other.